Up next on Get Your Eat On, I'm making a small pot of creamy, perfectly seasoned grits. This recipe makes about 2 servings with just 5 simple ingredients. Be sure to stick around until the end for a few quick recipe tips that can make your grits even better. But first, we're going to start with 1/2 cup of grits and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to bring 3 cups of water to a boil. You're going to mix the salt into the 1/2 cup of grits. Once the water boils, slowly pour in the grits while stirring to help prevent those lumps. Once combined, reduce the heat to low and cook for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to keep the grits from sticking. Now, you know grits don't need much. They just need low heat and a little patience. You can add a splash of heavy cream or milk. And 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir until the butter melts and everything is smooth and creamy. Now, if you like cheesy grits, this is the perfect time to add some cheese. And that's it. Now, before you go, let's talk about those quick tips. Tip number 1. If you didn't catch it earlier, mix your salt into the dry grits before cooking. That helps distribute the seasoning throughout the dish so every bite is evenly seasoned. And I borrowed this from my hot water cornbread recipe, not realizing it works over here too. Tip number 2. If you're making cheesy grits, add your cheese at the end of cooking. And I recommend freshly shredded cheese because it melts more smoothly and blends better into the grits. Tip number 3. If your grits are done, but you're not quite ready to serve them, put a lid on that pot and turn the burner off. The lid helps hold in moisture and keeps the grits from drying out. And then, when it's time to eat, just warm them back up and give them a quick stir. Finally, tip number 4. This recipe makes about 2 servings. So if you're feeding more people, simply double or triple the ingredients. Be sure to subscribe to Get Your Eat On for simple home-cooked recipes, helpful kitchen techniques, and food that gets you ready to get your eat on. That's today's recipe tips. This is Lady C signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.